Hello, let's take a look at how Aeroclean's refrigerator deodorizer works. Aeroclean refrigerator deodorizer has only one button and one light. Press the button for 2 seconds to turn on the flash keeping and deodorization mode. In this mode, the red blazing light will be on for 5 minutes and then extinguish for 90 minutes. After 90 minutes, it will automatically turn on for 5 minutes and then extinguish for another 90 minutes. It will circulate until the battery runs out. Long press the button for 2 seconds. The red light flashes twice and then shuts down. The battery life of this mode is 30 days. Double-click on the button to open the deep deodorization mode. The red light will be on for 30 minutes, then off, and extinguish for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, it will automatically turn on and work for 30 minutes, and then extinguish for another 30 minutes. It will circulate until the battery runs out. Long press the button for 2 seconds. The red light flashes twice and then shuts down. The battery life of this mode is 30 hours. In any case, click the button to see the power level. If the charge is about 20%, the green light should always be on for 2 seconds before turning off. If the charge is below 20%, the green light flashes and goes off. The green blazing light is displayed when charging, and the green light is off when it is fully charged.